Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management and service counter selling skills in as close to 60 seconds as I can possibly do it, creating a positive workplace culture. I get asked all the time, Greg, can you do a class on culture? Greg, can you help my shop build a better culture? Let me tell you something about culture. Number one, culture begins with hiring. It begins with hiring excellent people that fit the culture that you want for your shop. So look, if you don't feel like you hire well, come see some of my programs. We'll teach you how to hire much better. But culture begins with hiring. And then the second biggest thing you can do with positive workplace culture is lead by example. Stay positive. Be consistent. If you consistently put the right things in place and hold people accountable to those right things, you're going to create an incredible positive workplace culture, right? Now, the other thing that I want you to do besides hire right and get consistent, goal set, celebrate wins. We've said that in another video. But recognize people for the efforts that they make. Whether it's hitting their goals or something great they did for a customer, recognize people. Put it on your website, put it in your newsletter. When they feel appreciated and they feel like they're allowed to do their job, you will end up with a positive workplace culture all by itself. Contact me if you want to know more. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.